What's going on, world? Come back with you again with another video on March 24th, 2023. Coming back with you again with postcard how to make $500 on each sale by Mailbox Benjamin. Here's one of my many group pages that I created. This is linked to me. All my information and how to join Mailbox Benjamin is here. When you get started, you will get a kit in the mail with your unique number linked to you. Everybody has a unique number linked to them by the owner. His name is Martin Buckley. He's the owner with Mailbox Benjamin. I'm affiliate with Mailbox Benjamin, as you can see here. Here's all the information you're looking for, you need. Go to the website. You see my number 131, and you implement it that on the website, and you're good to go. Here's a Google Drive right here. Google Drive right here. You can click that, and you can get your copy of it. Print it out onto your computer. Print it out. Follow the instructions on there, and you're good to go. It's well put together. I put this page together by me having a mindset. What I got, good to go. I'll tell you what. I'll play this video for y'all.
Mailbox Benjamins is a simple 2-level high-commission postcard program that costs only a one-time payment of $1,000 to join. Mailbox Benjamins gives you 2 permanent pay positions to make $500 and $200 payments over and over again, not only from your efforts but from all your sponsored team members forever. When you join Mailbox Benjamins, you will receive in the mail a marketing kit with your personal ID number. Your marketing kit will include 500 postcards, 500 leads, 500 ID number stickers, starter guide, resources guide, sales flyer, and a cover letter, and much more. Now, as a special bonus, every time someone joins using your ID number, you will receive 50 free stamps, 50 free postcards, and 50 free leads. Every month, the admin will mail to the member who has the most sales a top sales earner award. Take action and join Mailbox Benjamins for a one-time payment of $1,000 by CashApp or money order or cash payment, and your one-time $1,000 payment covers your membership fee and to get your marketing kit mailed to you so you can get started making money right away.
Okay, there you go. That video explains everything for you. Really, there's really nothing to talk about. That video tells you all. Here's a website, www.mailboxbenjamin.com. My ID number is 131, and you're good to go. Yes, you're good to go to explore and start making some money. This was $300 payment and $100 override, but no one didn't want to join the $300. Now it's a high ticket postcard business with this opportunity. I was promoting $300 payments, but nobody didn't want to join. Now it's $1,000. So, really, that's really nothing to talk about. I'm just making a video, just the head of it, to tell you about Mailbox Benjamin, how you can make $500 over and over again and $200 on other people's effort, and you're good to go. Yeah, so I don't know what else to say. Non-business owner out there, looking, liking, sharing, doing this, doing that. There's a lot of sponsorship out here. There's a lot of hustle move out here that you can make some money by you joining and getting your kit in the mail and do what I do. You're good to go. Everybody's different how they promote. Everybody do different things, how they do things. You know, we all got individual lives. We think differently. Yeah, it's the same thing. Promote, 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 promote. Yeah, promote, promote, promote. You know? So this is Mailbox Benjamin. As you can see here, this image popped very well. Yellow, blue, green. all type of different color. I like it. Everybody can see this. So I don't know what else to say. I do not know what else to say. Mailbox Benjamin. Yep. So this is my review about my group page called Postcards, How to Make $500 on Each Sale Over and Over Again and Override $200 on the effort of your downline, so forth and so on. So really nothing to talk about. There's really nothing to talk about. So this is my review about my postcard business, about Mailbox Benjamin. And I got 25K man, this postcard business, CBSU cash delivery, unlimited cash delivery system, and so forth and so on. And AfterView, that's a $40 to get started, and you start watching on TV while you making $10 over and over again. There's a lot of hustles out here. There's a lot of hustles. So, all right, come back with you again with another video.